It's not all the way out.
Fuck.
It's not moving no more, Mom.
It's the hardest family. Yes, the hardest family. Oh, we got a lot of love and unity. There is love and unity. Ooh, love and unity. There is love and unity.
Alright, gang, what's poppin' with it? Look, man, we downstairs. I gotta get the phone off for Naked Baby. We downstairs, we in the basement. Missy, our dog Missy, is in labor. Wifey, obviously, y'all know, I'm so nervous, I can't even talk. Wifey got that footage, but she's in labor. And one of the puppies or something is like hanging out, I don't know. I'm scared, I'm nervous. So my mom and Snink is down there doing it. I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of that footage.
Start recording. Missy's inside her pool. We believe she's about to go in labor. We gotta get everything ready. Oh my God. Babe, she's about to go, like right now? Babe, she came down here by herself and got in here. Trying to get away from the kids and everybody. They being loud. Oh my God, babe, I'm scared.
Hi, baby.
She don't want to get out. Maybe she's breathing hard.
It don't look like she's pushing too.
You okay, Mommy? Huh? You ready? You ready to deliver your babies? She's so big.
What's wrong? You know me and Mommy love you. We're gonna make sure you're okay.
I'm about to turn it off because every time I turn it on, she stops. Oh, she going. She really getting ready, babe. Like, that's crazy.
Mommy.
You pregnant, Mommy?
What don't you want in there, baby? You don't want this in there? I don't like this either.
But I think she like it, though.
She knows she's working. I don't know what it is she don't like in there. She's scratching.
I think she's just trying to get comfortable, babe. You okay? When she start crying, it's over, babe. I'm telling you. Alright, I wanted to turn the camera on.
Her smell in it. She's trying to smell what she want to deliver it.
Well, what did I do?
I was recording on the phone.
I
We believe Missy is about to give birth. She's in her plastic pool. We put a cover that she liked inside. She's been tearing up the puppy pads, trying to get comfortable. Mom says she's nesting.
Mommy, Missy keep doing this so she can throw up.
No, she don't have the babies. Miss Mama.
Mom. Sissy!
Okay.
Sissy, let me tell you something.
Baby, you breathing so hard. You okay? Mommy's sorry we let Poppy do that to you.
No, she's not.
Oh my God.
Honey, she acting like she about to throw up.
Yeah, she's sticking out her tongue and breathing hard. Oh my God.
Yeah.
A few days before, he said she probably just trying to figure out what she gonna. And that's that.
Please, Missy, I know, Missy. When you see that right there, I think Missy gonna have a baby right there. Daddy.
She's shaking so bad.
Gonna see?
She pushing?
That's what Mom said. Oh my God.
Oh, she is pushing.
It's okay, baby. Oh, she's sitting on it. She's sitting on it. She ain't gonna let me touch it. Yeah, she pushing again though. It's coming. Whatever it is. See?
Yes. Oh God. It's okay, baby.
Oh, there it goes. Yeah, we can see it real good.
Oh, baby. I see your puppy sticking out. Right here in the back of your butt. They're all the way out. Twin. Oh, no, that's one big one. Mom.
It's not all the way out.
It's not moving no more, Mom.
She's moving. It's moving.
Oh, there you go. I heard you, little grunt. Missy, you got a puppy, Mommy. Oh, Mommy's shaking.
I don't think so.
Mommy's shaking.
No, she's not all the way out. But I don't know what's connected to Missy.
Should we break the bag open?
Just break the bag open.
Well, I don't know how to
I
do
cleaned the
that
scissors.
Yes, it's connected. I'm trying to pull it. The dog kicking me. The dog.
Oh, It broke out the bag, Mom. Oh, look at the tongue.
Missy, come and clean her up, baby. Come on. Come and clean her up.
Puppy number 1, 634. Puppy number 2, 639. Third one, 709. You got one too.
She cleaning him
Number
up.
4
I don't see
at 754. And the 3 are here. Number 4 is there.
Yes, it's blue.
Number 5, 839. Number 5, 839. Good job, baby. Here's these 4.
It's moving. It's moving.
I think this is it. I just set them all right there and they all just went.
Really? Look at number 6, Mom. Number 6 also got 2 spots on the tail.
I left him down here because she still ain't feeling him right now.
This is number 1. This is number 2. Number 3. Oh no, I lied. This number 1. This number 2. This number 3. This number 4 with the heart. Number 5. And the last one is number 6.
She's such a good mommy. Look at her. She is such a good mommy.
She done, Mom?
Oh, have kids?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you talking about tonight?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I kind of want to say yeah.
Number 5, all the way up there in the front.
I think she does. But she definitely does get all that goop out of her.
Let him eat, baby. You did such a good job, Missy.
Yes, she did.
You did such a good job.
She did amazing.
6 beautiful, healthy babies. Wow. I know you can't wait to rest, baby.
Right. She's like, this should have to back to back to back to back to back.
I understand, baby.
She been up ever since for 24 hours last night.
She licking them off, Grandma.
My baby is so amazing delivering. We have 5 girls and 1 boy. She's asleep. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 6. Number 3, you need to come out, Miss Mamas. She must be up. Number 3. I'm trying not to make her get off.
She just
See, man, they fighting over that bathroom. So they fighting over this bathroom.
get number 3, Mom.
No, it's okay. She eating.
Mom, she just got off.
Because number 3 then came over here bogart and pushing. Hold on, baby.
She's a mean.
There you go, number 6. Say, I want that bathroom.
Oh, she's under her mom. Who's that? Number 4. Number 4 is under Missy.
Yeah, number 4, she can go around her head. She keep laying in the back of her head.
Mama, number 4 is
Look
under
what
Missy.
she just came up here and did, Mama.
Oh, she's so cute.
That is so cute.
She's laying on Missy's head.
She just came up here and lay down.
Look. Oh, she got a scarf.
Trying to get comfortable.
And her, we just
So cute. Like, through her arms. You see that?
Now number 3 is asleep.
Right. Okay, come over here.
Number
Who
4
are you?
was just on that.
It's number 1. Right here, look. There you go. Get it.
Look at your puppy, miss. Look at your puppy, the miss. Look at your puppy.
They probably really just want to go to sleep. And number 1 likes to be in the back. She don't like this front one. But number 4 then came back. Uh-oh. Who's this? Oh, number 6 poop Missy. She pooped Missy.
Eat it, miss. Eat that poop, miss.
Ugh.
Mom. The poop boy.
That's a good bowel movement. That's a good bowel movement, number 6.
Mama.
Oh, God. Ugh.
Everybody pooping.
Good job, Mommy. One of them peed too, look like right here.
Mama.
Good job, little
Go
puppies.
check. I'm going to
Oh,
check.
she got some on her butt, Missy. She got more on her booty. Clean her up, Mommy. Back up for that. Good job, number 6. It's the baby. Good job, Mommy.
Ew, look at that poop on his tail.
She gonna clean it up. Clean your baby up, Mommy.
Mommy, go see. Go see, Mom.
Go see what?
Go see us.
Hold her soft, baby. Don't squeeze her or nothing.
So cute.
Such a good mommy. Such a good mommy. This is number 3. Trying to find her way. Uh-oh.
Mom, that one's available right there.
Who?
Right here.
This number 4. You just had her.
Oh. I love number 4. She got a little heart on her.
She got that nipple. This is number 1.
Did I even hold number 1?
Hmm?
They're so small.
Hold her closer over here, baby.
I'm your little auntie. Look how she's bundled up in my hand. So cute. Why she's licking my glove?
Oh, baby.
Oh, look at her. She's so cute. Mommy, she's not ready. She's asleep.
It's the hardest family. Yeah. Yes, the hardest family. Oh, we got a lot of love and unity. There is love and unity. Ooh, love and unity. There is love.